visible and audible? Just give me a second. Very good. Chalo guys, so we have started algebra already, or algebra maybe I believe we have covered 4-5 topics. So today we will take the opportunity to solve previous year questions based on the topics that we have covered. और आप देखोगे कि बड़े आराम से, and today we will be taking the questions of recent years 2024, 2023, not more than that. बस या तो 2024 के and 2023 के algebra के questions from the topics that we have covered. Okay, in last 10-15 days, we will be taking care of questions of those topics only. Let's start. Let's check out the first question. This comes from 2024 slot 3. Okay, this question is from actual question from CAT 2024 slot 3. Time on time it is necessary कि आप CAT के questions attempt करते रहो to understand the level of the examination. It's not that difficult. आपको ये figure out होगा. हाँ, it's pretty much manageable. What we are doing is in the right direction. इससे ये clear होता है. Okay. First question. This question comes from linear equations. याद है? We started algebra with linear equations. This question comes from linear equation. एक बार go through the question and try to attempt the question. I'll give you roughly 15-20 seconds. After 15-20 seconds, we will start solving this question. Okay. Take 10-15 seconds, read out the question. Chalo, देखो. What's given in here is, for some constant real numbers p, k and a, consider the following system of linear equations in x and y. So आपको दो equation given है. The first one is this and the second one is this. Right? A necessary condition for the system to have no solution in terms of x and y is what? Okay, ये बोल रहा है कि this linear equation has no solution. So which one of the following is a necessary condition? हम लोग ने तीन पढ़ा है, right? There are three cases possible. First case possible is infinite solution, right? Infinite solution. Infinite solution कब होता है? When a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and this is equal to c1 by c2. This is a case of infinite solution, right? Second one is unique solution. Unique solution. What is the case of unique solution? Unique solution का case होता है a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, right? Hanji sir. And what about no solution? What is the case of no solution? Now, no solution exists when, no solution कब होता है बेटा? When a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but both of them are not equal to c1 by c2. ये तीन cases possible है. What is a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2? These are the constant parts of the variable x and y. The equations must be in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Right? So a1 and a2 are the constants of x, b1 and b2 are the constants of y, and c1 and c2 is like the constant only. ये हमने किया है already. We have done this. Here in this question, they want to satisfy the condition of no solution. मतलब ये वाला case, a1 by a2 must not be equal to b1 by b2, must not be equal to c1 by c2. a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2. but it should not be equal to C1 by C2. What is A1? P. What is A2? 3. What is B1? -4. What is B2? K. What is C1 and C2? 2 and A. Sorted? Yes, sir. चलो देखते हैं. Okay. Very good. देखो इसमें ना व्हेन यू गो थ्रू द ऑप्शंस, दो ऐसे ऑप्शंस है जो इक्वालिटी पे डिपेंड है और दो ऐसे ऑप्शंस है जो इनइक्वालिटी के ऊपर है. तो इक्वालिटी के ऊपर अगर आपको चेक करना है तो आपको इन दोनों को चेक करना होगा, राइट? इन दोनों को चेक करना होगा. इनइक्वालिटी के ऊपर चेक करना है तो इन दोनों को चेक करना होगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद एनी वन ऑफ दीज. इनइक्वालिटी से शुरू करते हैं. व्हाट आई हैव हियर इज -4 अपॉन k मस्ट नॉट बी इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन a. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो k मस्ट नॉट बी इक्वल टू 2a -2a एंड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेकर आ गए. सो k प्लस 2a मस्ट नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. ये है क्या ऑप्शन में? ये है ऑप्शन में. टेक्निकली ये ऑप्शन में है. ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. ये आपको मिल गया, तो आपको आगे चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट स्टिल इफ यू वांटेड टू कि ये इक्वालिटी वाला केस चेक कर ले तो वी कुड हैव डन दिस. ओके, वी कुड हैव टेकन दिस. चलो let's move ahead. Let's move ahead to the next question. This was the question from CAT 2024 QA slot 3. Next question. It is also CAT 2024 question, logarithms. This question comes from logarithms. Logarithms हमने किया है, right? Logarithms भी हमने किया है. और read out the question first. Try it. I'll give you like a minute, not more than that. And then we will discuss this question. Attempt the question. Read it carefully. Try it. चलो if 3 raised to the power a is equal to 4, बीच में equal to है, you have to find the product of a, b, c, d, e, f. Oh, चलो let's try this one. देखो what do we have? मेरे पास है 3 raised to the power a is equal to 4. Okay, and 4 raised to the power b is equal to 5, and so on. 4 raised to the power b is equal to 5, and so on till 8 raised to the power f is 9. And मुझे product पूछ रहे हैं. They are asking product of a, b, c, d, e, f. They are asking product of a, b, c, d, e, f. Fine. If I want a, मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I'll have to take log on both sides, right? We have done such questions in log. Log both sides लिया, तो what would be the case? It would be a log 3 is equal to log 4. Hi Anna. What we'll get? We'll get a log 3 is equal to log 4. Similarly, b log 4 would be equal to log 5 using the basic properties of log that we have done already. And this would be f log 8 would be equal to log 9, right? So what they are asking the value of a, b, C D E F A. Guys, इधर से देखो, A would be log 4 upon log 3. We can write that. I can write A as log 4 upon log 3. We can do that. Yes or no? Yes, sir. B could be written as log 5 upon log 4. From this equation, B can be written as log 5. Log 4 को नीचे लेकर चले गए. B could be log 5 upon log 4. Similarly, C would be log 6 upon log 5. Put in the values. The last value would be log 9 upon log 8. F log 9 upon log 8. This is what we have. This is what we have. Let's start cancelling them out. इनको cancel करना शुरू करो. This, 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 this. Ultimately ये log 8 भी चला जाएगा. Log 9 will be left. क्योंकि अगर log 9 को cancel होना था, तो you would have needed the next term, log 10 upon log 9. If you wanted log 9 to be cancelled out, you needed one more term. That would have been log 10 upon log 9, which in this case is not here. Hence, log 9 will survive. So, what do I have at disposal? Log 9 upon log 3. And yes, this can be written as log 3 square upon log 3. So, this is 2 log 3 upon log 3. Log 3 is cancelled out. The answer to this theta question was 2. Answer to this theta question was 2. Sorted? Chalo. Let us jump to next question. Okay, this one comes from 2024. Whatever we are doing today, we will be doing roughly 6-7 questions. All of them would be from CAT, Algebra, recent year. All of them would be from CAT, Algebra, recent year, and we would have covered them in class already. The topics. Come on, guys. Read the question carefully. Try solving it. Read the question carefully. Try solving it. I gave you 90 seconds. The timer is already started. Read out the question. Make little bit of calculation here and there and see if you can reach to the answer. This is so awkward looking, so difficult question. Seems to be. But is it actually? है क्या? Consider the sequence T1 is equal to 1, T2 is equal to -1, Tn is equal to n minus 3 upon n minus 1, Tn minus 2 for n which is greater than equal to 3. Come on, boys. Okay, the time's up. Chalo, देखो. I have T1, I have T2, I have Tn. Tn के लिए they have given a generalized expression. Okay, I have the value of T1. T1 is 1. I have the value of T2. The value of T2 is -1. And I have the generalized equation for Tn, for nth term. What is nth term here? N minus 3 upon n minus 1 Tn minus 2. and they are asking what is the value of 1 by T2 plus 1 by T4 plus 1 by T6. They are asking what is the value of 1 by T2 plus 1 by T4 plus 1 by T6 all the way till okay 1 upon T2024. ठीक है, तो गाइज पहले T2 फिगर आउट करने की, T2 तो गिवन है ना, T2 इज ऑलरेडी गिवन. लेट्स ट्राई टू फिगर आउट T4. Let's try to figure out T4. And how can we figure out T4? By using this. Okay, what would be the T4? T4, देखो n की जगह हमने 4 रख दिया. N की जगह we kept 4. So here n is not n, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4. Okay, put n is equal to 4. So T4 would be equal to 4 minus 3 upon 4 minus 1 T4 minus 2 means T2. Okay, very good. Let's break this down. This is 1 upon 3. And what is T2? What is T2? T2 is minus 1. T2 is minus 1. So multiplied by minus 1. So this entire thing is minus 1 by 3. Okay. This entire thing is T4 is minus 1 by 3. Okay. T4 मिल गया. Let's try to find out T6. Let's try to find out T6. What could be T6? Now T6 के लिए again we will use this expression. Again we will use this expression where n की value is 6. Put n is equal to 6. So T6 would be equal to 6 minus 3 upon 6 minus 1 T 6 minus 2. Very good. So this is 3 upon 5 multiplied by T6 minus 2 is T4. Do I have the value of T4? Do I have the value of T4? T4 की value we have already calculated. Let's put it over here. T4 की value is minus 1 by 3. So this 3 is cancelled out. What do I have is minus 1 by 5. Very good. Can we see the pattern? एक और करते हैं. Let's find out T8 as well. हालांकि it is not required अगर आपको pattern दिख रहा है तो. But let's try to find out T8 as well. The next term would be 1 upon T8. Okay. Put n as 8. What we will get? We will get 8 minus 3 upon 8 minus 1 T8 minus 2. So this is 5 upon 7 multiplied by T6. This is T6. And what is T6? T6 we have already calculated, minus 1 upon 5. Minus 1 upon 5. This 5 is cancelled out. What do I have? Minus 1 upon 7. Minus 1 upon 7. So एक pattern मिल गया ना guys. T4 is minus 1 upon T3. T6 is minus 1 upon T5. T8 is minus 1 upon 7. T10 would be minus 1 upon 9. So that's the pattern. Okay, T4 is अब ये निकालता हूं. I need this. Okay, I need this space. Now 1 by T2. T2 is minus 1. So 1 by T2 will also be minus 1. Plus 1 by T4. T4 is minus 1 upon 3. So 1 by T4 would be minus 3. Similarly, 1 by T6 would be minus 5. So on. Yes or no? Yes, sir. कहां तक जाएगा? This would be minus 2023. Yes or no? Yes, sir. T4 is minus 3. T6 is minus 5. So T 2024 would be minus 2023. So if we take minus common, what do I have? 1 plus 3 plus 5 all the way till 2023. Sum of n odd numbers. ये कितने terms है? How many terms are these? Okay, so what is the sum of first n odd numbers? Sum of first n odd numbers is n square, where n is number of terms. This is sum of first n odd numbers. N square, where n is odd, where n is n number of terms. But इसमें number of terms कितने हैं sir? So number of terms is 1012. कैसे? This is the first term, this is the last term. Number of terms would be 2023 plus 1 by 2. 2023 plus 1 by 2. There are multiple ways to find this. आप Tn का फॉर्मूला भी लगा सकते थे. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Tn is 2023. First term is 1. N minus 1 has to be calculated. D is 2. D is 2. When you will solve this, you will get n as 1012. So number of terms is 1012, and sum of first n odd numbers is n square. So answer is 1012 whole square. Answer क्या है? 1012 whole square. Okay, and that is unit digit पे क्या आएगा? And आगे minus है, right? We have a minus in front. So whatever would be the expansion, उसके आगे minus. So this is for option A. यूनिट डिजिट पे आपके 4 आना है 1012 को एक्सपैंड करने पे, राइट? एंड इन फ्रंट वी हैव माइनस. ऑप्शन ए वुड बी द आंसर to this question. Very good. And this was a question of 2024 slot 3. Let's jump to next question. लेकिन पहले guys, important notification. We have this right to preparation sale going on, जिसमें we have slashed down the price of plus subscription and pro subscription by huge percentages. You can get pro at 14,999. Okay, but you need to apply the code core MBA. Okay, plus के prices are 9,999. We have started a batch which goes by the name IIM batch, target IIM batch. We have recently started this. You can join this batch as soon as possible. There has been hardly a week's classes. Welcome Kushagra. And if you subscribe to Pro is the subscription of all possible batches that we are going to launch for MBA preparation in 2025-2026 season. Okay, if you are looking for Pro of 2 years, you will get it in only 24,999, but you need to apply the coupon code core MBA for the same. कुछ भी query है, how to prepare or any query regarding subscription, there is a link in the description, inquiry form, fill it. Our team will reach out to you within 24 hours and sort out your doubts. Chalo, let's jump to next question. Try this one. I'll give you 90 seconds. Read it. And then देखो, oh sir, CAT का question है. CAT का question है, कब करोगे? हमने कर लिया क्लास में. We have done the theory. अगर आपने follow किया है and you have done little bit of practice on your own, even if you have not solved this question before, ये question आप कर सकते हैं. You are capable of doing that. We have done enough concepts to crack this question. Arithmetic progression is what we have already dealt in the class in the scratch batch. And students are preparing and they have prepared. There is no time now. You always think you have time, but आपके पास time नहीं है. You always think you have time, but you don't have time, guys. चलो, डिफिकल्ट है? अरे नहीं, आपने अगर 15, 20, 25, 30 क्वेश्चन लगाए हैं ना थियरी करने के बाद, क्लास अटेंड करने के बाद, ये आपको डिफिकल्ट लग ही नहीं सकता है. You will not find this question difficult at any cost. चलो देखो, there are multiple ways to solve this. This is a question from arithmetic progression. There are multiple ways to solve this. Okay, एक तरीका नहीं है, बहुत सारे तरीके इसको सॉल्व करने के. आ जाओ, let's check out one of the ways. The equation that is given to me is 2x sixth term plus 2x 9 is equal to x 11 plus x 13. Okay, 2x 6 plus 2x 9 is equal to x 11 plus x 13. Okay. अच्छा देखो, अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन में क्या होता है, इसको स्टैंडर्ड मेथड से भी जा सकते हैं, राइट. आई हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ x5. अगर x5 -4 है तो x6 वुड बी -4 प्लस d, वेयर d इज द कॉमन डिफरेंस. यही होता है ना अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, यही डिस्कस किया है ना. x7 वुड बी -4 प्लस 2d. सिमिलरली x9 वुड बी -4 प्लस 4d. यही डिस्कस किया है ना, राइट. बट ये और भी सिंपल हो सकता है. I can write x11 plus x13, x11 plus x13, 2 times x12. है ना, क्या बोल रहे हो सर. अच्छा, 11th टर्म एंड 13th टर्म, ठीक है. एपी कोई भी 3 टर्म ले लो और एपी में एनी 3 रैंडम टर्म्स. लेट्स से 5, 7 एंड 9. वी कैन से ना 5 plus 9 is 2 times 7, राइट. कोई भी 3 टर्म्स ले लो सर. 100, 98 and 102. So 98 plus 102 is 2 times 100. We can do that. Allowed है, चलता है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट है. तो I can write x11 plus x13 as 2 times x12, right. So 2 cancel out हो जाएगा. You take 2 common out over here. x6 x9 is equal to 2x12. This gets cancelled out. Okay, very good. And if fifth term is -4, I know sixth term would be -4 plus d. Ninth term is -4 plus 4d. 12th term क्या हो जाएगा? What would be x12? x12, I can write x12 as -4 plus 7d. Yes or no? आपके पास x5 है. x12 is the 7th term from x5. So d will be added 7 times. Put these values. आपको d की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. As simple as it is. Put x6 के जगह -4 plus d. Okay. Plus x9 की जगह -4 plus 4d. And x12 के जगह you can put -4 plus 7d. Solve this. -4 gets cancelled out. d plus 4d 5d. उधर जाएगा 2d. So d comes out to be -2. d comes out to be -2. बोलो yes sir. Very good. So I have d as -2. I have fifth term. I want first term. x1 होगा, ठीक है. And fourth term. Fourth term is what? Fourth term is x1 plus 4d. Yes or no? Fourth term is x1 plus fifth term. Sorry, not fourth but fifth. Fifth term is x1 plus 4d. बोल सकते हैं ना. तो I can find out the first term. कहीं ना कहीं I can find out the first term. Fifth term is given to be -4. I want first term 4 into d. This is -8. d we have calculated to be -8. So first term is 4. So all we have is an AP जिसका पहला term 4 है and common difference is -2. This is what we have. दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव। मेरे पास क्या है, एक ऐसा एपी है जिसका फर्स्ट टर्म 4 है एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस है -2। सॉर्टेड। आई एम लुकिंग फॉर T100। आई एम लुकिंग फॉर 100th टर्म। 100th टर्म कैसे निकलेगा बेटा? सर यूज द फॉर्मूला ना सर, क्या कर रहे हैं आप? यूज इट। x100 would be x1 plus 100 minus 1 into -2 d, a plus n minus 1 into d। आ जाओ, x1 है 4 plus 99 into -2, this is -198 plus 4, answer is -194। answer is -194, option A। answer is -194, option A। CAT 2024 slot 1 question। चलो, I want you guys to try these questions again, and हम लोगों ने ये करा है क्लास में, not the same questions, but we have done the theory, enough theory that you can crack all of these questions। we have done enough theory that you can crack all of these questions। very good, try this one। this question comes from CAT 2024 slot 1। try this one। you have got close to a minute left। the sum of all real values of k for which blah 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 is blah 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 blah। very good। Surds and indices। this question is mix of surds and indices and one more topic from algebra। we did surds and indices as the last topic। yes or no? surds and indices हम लोगों ने last topic किया है। so this question is based on surds and indices and one more concept of algebra। that topic also we have covered। that topic also we have covered। अभी भी structured playlist में पड़ा है all the classes। go and watch it। time's up। okay, चलो, what do I have here? मेरे पास है 1/8 to the power k multiplied by 1/32768 to the power half equals to 1/8 multiplied by 1/32768 to the power 1/k to the power 1/k। ओके गाइस, ये नंबर आपको स्पेशल नहीं लग रहा होगा, बट एग्जाम में क्या करोगे? जैसे दिस इज एन एक्चुअल एग्जाम क्वेश्चन। एग्जाम में वी नो द लॉज ऑफ सर्ट्स एंड इंडाइसेस, राइट? वी कैन ऐड द पावर अगर बेस सेम होता तो, बट दिस बेस इज डिफरेंट। ओके, तो एग्जाम में क्या करोगे? द स्टैंडर्ड अप्रोच, द नेचुरल अप्रोच जो आपके मन में आएगा सबसे पहले is you will try to factorize it, the bigger one, and you have calculator in the actual examination to do that। कर सकते हैं कैलकुलेटर से। so आप इसको फैक्टराइज करोगे ना, तो यू विल फाइंड कि 32768 is nothing but 2 raised to the power 15। when you will do this, you will find out कि 32768 is 2 to the power 15, and that is a natural instinct that will come। सर ये कैसे आ गया? मुझे तो बस 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 4096 तक ही पता है सर, उसके बाद तो मैंने देखा ही नहीं सर। 8192 आता है तो आई एम कंफ्यूज सर। नो, व्हेन यू विल फैक्टराइज दिस ऑटोमेटिकली ये आ जाएगा। ओके, सो लेट्स पुट दैट एज 15, दैट एज 2 raised to the power 15, and let's proceed. So this is 1 by 2 cube, so this would be 3k। 1 by 8 को 1 by 2 cube लिख सकते हैं, that 3 would be multiplied with the power k। Similarly, this can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 15, so this can be written as 1 by 2, 15 आ जाएगा इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई होके 15 by 2, right? And this is again 1 by 2 cube, and this is 1 by 2, 15 जो है बाहर आ जाएगा 15 by k। Sorted? बोलो yes sir, yes sir। Now the base is same, power can be added, right? So what do I have? Half power में 3k plus 15 by 2, this is equal to half। यहां भी बेस सेम है, राइट हैंड साइड में पावर कुड बी एडेड, 3 plus 15 by k। If the base is same, power is equal, yes or no? If the bases are same, the power, they have to be equal। Got it? So I can proudly write चलो, I can proudly write this as क्या 6k plus 15 by 2। मैंने इसको ऐड कर दिया, I did add this, इसको ऐड करके लिख दिया डायरेक्टली। 6k plus 15 by 2 is equal to this one, इसको भी ऐड करके लिख देते हैं, 3k plus 15 by k, right? Let's cross multiply this, करना पड़ेगा। 6k square plus 15k is 6k plus 30। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लेकर आ जाओ सबको, k स्क्वायर प्लस 9k और माइनस 30 इज इक्वल टू 0। सॉर्टेड? चलो, वेरी गुड। ओके, कुछ गुफअप तो नहीं किया ना हमने। 6k प्लस 15, 3k, ओके, पावर ऐड किया, नथिंग नथिंग नथिंग, 1 by 2 1 by k, 1 by 2 whole cube 15 by k, that's right। पावर ऐड किया 6k प्लस 15, एवरीथिंग लुक्स फाइन। अब देखो, अच्छा इसको और थोड़ा सा वो कर लेते हैं, क्या कर लेंगे सर, इसको थोड़ा सा सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं। दिस इज 3 कॉमन ले लिया तो 2k स्क्वायर प्लस 3k माइनस 10 वुड बी इक्वल टू 0, राइट? आई हैव दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, मेरे पास क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है। सॉर्टेड? आई हैव दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, एंड मुझे क्या पूछा है, द सम ऑफ ऑल रियल वैल्यूज ऑफ k। अच्छा, वैल्यूज ऑफ k हियर वुड बी रूट्स ऑफ k। एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ k, तो वैल्यूज ऑफ k इज नथिंग बट रूट्स ऑफ k, राइट? एंड रूट्स ऑफ k है, तो सॉरी, रूट ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन इज k। ओके, तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं सम ऑफ रूट्स पूछा है उन्होंने, दे हैव आस्क्ड सम ऑफ रूट्स, क्योंकि k की 2 वैल्यूज होंगी ना, k की 2 वैल्यूज होंगी, तो सम ऑफ ऑल रियल वैल्यूज ऑफ k हैज 2 वैल्यूज, k हैज 2 वैल्यूज, राइट? What is the sum of a quadratic equation? Sum of roots of a quadratic equation, that is minus b by a। Sum of roots of a quadratic equation is minus b by a। Here b is 3, तो answer is minus 3 by 2। आंसर इज माइनस 3 by 2, जो ऑप्शन में नहीं दिख रहा है, शायद ये उल्टा हो गया होगा, शायद या हैव वी गूफ्ड समवेयर इन कैलकुलेशन? चेक दिस आउट। 1 by 8, ठीक है, दैट्स राइट। 1 by 8, तो ये हो गया हाफ 3k, and this is 1 upon 2 raised to the power 15, 15 by 2. This is 1 by 2 cube, right? This is 15 by k. Base same है, power would be added. Power add किया हमने, तो that would be 6k plus 15 by 2. Very good. This is 3k plus 15 by k. Cross multiply किया, 6x square plus 15k is equal to 6k plus 30. Everything looks fine. Nothing is goofy over here, right? कुछ भी goofy नहीं है. So maybe ये option ऊपर नीचे होगा. आपको कुछ calculation error दिखा, do let me know. That's the approach. That's the approach. ठीक है, maybe question में शायद कुछ plus minus होगा, God knows. Or for this question, this is the right answer. Sorted. And this was a CAT 2024 QA slot 1 question. Very good. चलो, shall we attempt one more question? करते हैं. This one, CAT 2024 slot 3 question. Try this one. I'll give you 90 seconds. Try कर लो बच्चा. Try this one. Let's attempt this one. आ जाओ. देखो, CAT 2024 QA slot 3. Okay, what do I have? हमें given है a plus b root 3 whole square is 52 plus 30 root 3. Okay, very good. Open करते हैं bracket. This is a square plus 3b square is 2ab root 3, 52 plus 30 root 3. This is what we have. A and B are natural numbers. A and B are natural numbers. So when we compare left hand side and right hand side, क्या मिल रहा है गोलू? This would be the constant part, right? And 2ab would be equal to 30. We can write a square plus 3b square as 52, and we can write 2ab as 52. लिख सकते हैं ना? 2ab, no, 2ab is 30 ना, sorry, 2ab is 30. तो ab की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी बेटा? 15. ab 15 and a square plus 3b square is 52. दो इक्वेशन, दो वेरिएबल. देयर आर मल्टीपल वेज टू सॉल्व दिस. द बेस्ट वे हियर इज, क्योंकि नंबर्स छोटे हैं. नंबर्स क्या है? छोटे हैं. ए बी, आई मीन a into b is 15. What could be the ordered pairs of A and B? A could be 1, B could be 15. A could be 3, B could be 5. A could be 5, B could be 3, A could be 15, B could be 1. One of these values, one of these pairs should satisfy this equation. One of these pairs should satisfy this equation. Let's try to find out which one. Let's try to find out which one. B cannot be 15. This is first one is not the case. Okay. अगर B 5 लिया तो 5 square is 25. 25 into 3 is 75. Not possible. So not even this one. Okay. If B is 3, A is 5. If B is 3, A is 5. So this becomes 25 plus 3 into 9. And this is 52. So this satisfies. Ordered pair of A and B as 5 and 3 satisfies. So A is 5, B is 3. We solved this. A क्या मिल गया आपको? A is 5 and B is 3. What is the sum of A and B? A plus B is 8. A plus B is 8. Sorted? That was the answer to this question. Okay, very well. ये like question है आपकी प्रैक्टिस के लिए, ठीक है? These two questions are for your practice. These are PYQs 2024 slot 1 and 2024 slot 2. I want you guys to attempt. These are very basic questions जो हमने किया है उसके basis पे है. Guys, अगर if you have not enrolled anywhere, not planning to enroll anywhere soon, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. I have uploaded multiple classes in Scratch batch. Scratch batch पे I have uploaded multiple classes. Do check out the Scratch batch. Arithmetic is taken care of with all the concepts and ample practice. Algebra is about to be finished. Functions बाकी है केवल, that will be taken care of maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. Attend these classes, practice along with the classes, and practice little bit of PYQs, and you are good to go, guys. Okay. Chalo. I'm Ashish Kumar signing off from this session. We'll meet again. Attempt karo ye questions. This particular and this particular question. The solution is widely available. If you have any queries, kuch bhi dikkat hai, you can reach me out through the Telegram. See you again tomorrow. It was so glad that you guys were here. We'll meet again tomorrow with another interesting and important session. Till then, tata bye bye.